Hey guys, so I wanted to take a minute to review our slideshow with you for today. So I'm going to click through the slides and there we go. Okay, this might be a little big for you to see. Okay, I'm thinking that's better. So I'm going to go ahead and click through the slides and talk about them. And that way, when you click on the slideshow, you can just skip through to the slides where you need to sort the coins. So the first thing I have in our slideshow is the song we used to sing in the classroom about the coins and how much they're worth. So I'm going to go ahead and sing it, and you can sing along with me if you remember it. It goes like this. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So here is a penny, and I want you to remember that every coin has two different sides. It has the heads side and the tails side. So here's your penny. It is worth 1 cent. So remember 1 cent, the cent symbol is that little C with the line through it. That means cent or cents. So this is the penny, the head side, and the tail side. Our next coin is the nickel, which is worth 5 cents. And you have your heads and your tails on your nickel. So your nickel, remember, is silver. The penny that we looked at last, the penny is the only coin that's copper brown, right? So that one's really easy to identify because it is the only one that's copper brown. The nickel is a silver coin, which makes it a little bit more challenging to identify because most of the other coins are silver. Your nickel is worth 5 cents, and you see again the little C with the line through it. That is the cents symbol. Here is your nickel. All right, so then on this slide, you will go ahead and drag all the pennies and nickels that you see, and you'll see them on the side in your version. You'll drag them into the correct box. So you'll drag all your pennies here and all your nickels here. Now here is the dime, and remember the dime is worth 10 cents. You have your head side and your tail side of your dime. 10 cents. And the other thing that's special about the dime, it is silver like the nickel, but the dime is the smallest coin. It's the really tiny one, and it has the bumps along the edges. So the dime has bumps along the edges. Here is your quarter, which is worth 25 cents. Your quarter has heads and it has tails. And remember, your quarter has bumps around the edges as well. It is also silver, and it is the largest of the 4 coins that we learn about in first grade, the largest of the 4 coins. And then on this page, you will drag to sort your dimes and your quarters into this box. And that is it, boys and girls. I hope this is helpful. Something that can be really helpful at home is if you have some coins, or if a grown-up has some coins at home, just grab a handful of coins and then sort them into groups: the pennies, the nickels, the dimes, and the quarters. All right, have fun, and I will see you later.